I have been often asked, how do I choose a cleanser? What do I look for when I choose a cleanser? So it's a really very important question because cleansing of your skin is very, very important. In fact, it is a number one to a beautiful skin. So what I highly recommend is that you use a cleanser firstly. Find out what skin type you have. If you have an oily skin, you use a cleanser for an oily skin. If you have a dry skin, a cleanser for a dry, or you can use a cleanser for a combination skin. Also, you can use a cleanser for if there is any other problems that you have. For example, if you have acne, use a special type of cleanser for an acne which is more medicated. Now, once you've chosen your cleanser for your skin type, what to look for? The best thing is to read all the ingredients that are there on it, and it should be, firstly, I always recommend it should be as natural as possible. Okay? The next thing is cut out the chemicals that are there, and the most important, of course, is the preservative that shouldn't be there in a cleanser. And see that you use a cleanser that is going to really cleanse your skin and take away all the dirt and grime from your skin. Also, a cleanser should have a pH of over about 7%. We have a thing there of 1 to 10, so it could be 7. That is this that we normally have. So this is when you're looking at it and what is your cleanser. Next thing is what I always say is what type of, how are you going to use the cleanser? Use a double cleansing, which is very, very important. And why do you use a cleanser? We use a cleanser really to remove all the dirt and grime and from your skin, and that is why a double cleanser. First, it takes away the surface dirt and grime, and after that, what will it do is it will go deeper and it will deep cleanse your skin. So that is what you have to do when you're looking for a cleanser. And cleansing is very, very important. And the other thing I'd like to mention while we're talking about cleansers is just the face wash is not going to help. It cannot take away the makeup from your face. It is like, just take a dirty plate and then you just put soap or you put just the face wash. It will not take it away completely. You have to use a cleanser, and after that you can use a face wash, and that will give you the double cleanse.